This is a surgery to fix a damaged or diseased hip. It replaces your hip with implants that restore function to your joint. Instead of the single large incision used in a traditional hip replacement surgery, this method uses two small incisions. This helps speed your recovery. To begin, you are put to sleep. The surgeon makes two incisions to reach your hip joint. Then, the large leg bone or femur is separated from the socket. The head of the femur is removed. To fix the socket, the surgeon removes damaged tissue and bone from the pelvis. Then, a shell is secured into the bone. A liner is locked into the shell. The liner creates a smooth surface that will allow the joint to move freely. The surgeon now focuses on the femur implant. The end of the femur is hollowed out. A long, narrow implant called a stem is placed into the femur. The top of the stem is fitted with a ball. The ball is placed into the socket, and the joint is tested. Finally, your incisions are closed and bandaged. After the surgery, you are watched in a recovery room. As you wake up, your surgeon will tell you when you can go home. Follow your surgeon's advice for a safe recovery.